There are many reasons why IIM Kozhikode is a top choice for MBA aspirants. It is ranked among the top 3 institutes in India according to NIRF, and this is because it has strong industry connections and placements in top companies like Goldman and Sachs, JP Morgan, Bajaj Finserv, Amazon, and etc. Placements usually primarily happen in consulting, finance, and management, and the highest placed candidates are known to get high salary packages. According to an official report, the highest placement in 2023 was for a package of 67.02 lakhs per annum, with average packages of around 31 lakhs and median packages of around 27 lakhs. IIM Kozhikode process for shortlisting candidates to ensure that the most promising candidates make it through. It is important to note that getting a call through an email does not automatically guarantee being shortlisted for the VAT PI round. The institute adopts a 3-stage selection process. In stage 1, the shortlisted candidates will have to fill an online form with personal details upon which the institute will further shortlist based on a minimum eligibility criteria. The minimum eligibility criteria depends on your undergraduate mark, your CAT score percentile, the sectional percentile in CAT, and class 10 and class 12 percentages. Please go through this table to ensure if you qualify and take a screenshot for further reference. In stage 2, the candidates that clear the minimum eligibility criteria will then be shortlisted for VAT PI rounds based on an aggregate index score. The AIS is computed based on the performance in CAT 2023, Class 10 marks, Class 12 marks, gender academic diversity, and work experience. In the score computation, the CAT score will have a weightage of 45%, 10th class marks will have a weightage of 25%, the 12th board marks will have a weightage of 15%, academic diversity will have weightage of 5%, and gender diversity will have weightage of 10%, and work experience will have total weightage of 5%. For calculating the CAT score, scaled scores from the 3 sections with equal weightage will be considered. Class 10 percentage scores will be adjusted by dividing each score by the highest percentage score obtained, which will then be multiplied by 25. Class 12 percentage scores will be adjusted by dividing each score by the highest percentage score obtained in this stream, which will then be multiplied by 15. Work experience will carry a weightage of up to 5% depending on the length of service as of 31st December 2023. Please note that only female and transgender candidates will be eligible for a gender diversity score of 10 for academic diversity. Candidates with a bachelor's degree in areas other than engineering or technology will get a score of 5, and candidates are titled one of either academic diversity or gender diversity criterion, and candidates cannot avail both at the same time. For the final stage, the shortlisted candidates from stage 2 will have to appear for a written ability test followed by a personal interview. After the conclusion of this process, final scores will be computed based on CAT 2023 performance, personal interview, VAT, and resume scores. Based on this score, category-wise merit lists will be prepared. For the final computation, CAT score will have weightage of 35%, the personal interview score will have weightage of 35%, the written ability test will have weightage of 20%, and candidates' resumes will have a weightage of 10%. To know more about the registration process and dates for IIM Kozhikode, please go to the link mentioned below. Thank you and good luck.